Mama Kwame Adofo. Mini permitting in catch. Lawyer Machana pay.
Yeah, no.
Nabo call there.
Me hoye pa na ozwe.
Na me say kasa ya che papa.
Papa say on vacation.
Ayo, nti ya say ensam no court ensam e shada market ni enka.
Aha.
Yo, ene kwa dia ene akwanya aba nti edi nkobo.
Ya chance ye me boa.
Ai ye frase papa panti ne. Say ye kweni.
No, I don't know.
Then the Bema police I na dwen so be a demonstration. Wo beti nda court.
Many aba me chia bio. Na me chia tifo. No hefo. Debe the Bema police aka say. Wo do be court.
So a demonstration.
We demonstration or do court. Answer na police because what do court. He said, "Ebia, you will be a reasonable suspicion. Say you have committed a crime, and now you are about to commit an offense. The police has every right to first arrest you, and then put you before the court. And now say police if he say the demonstration officer will be in a peaceful manner. Police meet the court, and now the Ekono Eco court or the order say." When you imagine somebody a peaceful demonstration, and the court on fact injunction Thomas. Now, Nana Kasan Yamuno, Chrome Hamrano, the Kunini Constitution that you were other laws. There will be a public order act. I don't know, since the demonstration and as a protest of any form, and so notify police. Normally, the police will sit down with you and say, "A different officer, him an officer of I agree." It is who agree on the route, for example. That's all outside the route. You've committed an offense. You breached the conditions upon which you were, the permission was granted. And that's what the American answer.
Annie.
Aha. Now, everyone says also a peaceful demonstration. I agree on the route. Now, why would you pay a block road? No, you have committed an offense. You are obstructing other people's right to access to the road. Now, what a teacher senior, and on conditions that they grant you permission. And come home. And grant you say, corner questions will be near. So, because we are no the no, I'll commit offense. Again, condition I demand and mal permission say Korea Obika and Korea Obika key. That is also an offense. Now the course and I don't know if I'm ready to was it?
Tiasoko.
Aha, the course you whom say I'm for block main road. I didn't grab a ball. Maybe mushi and Yama Wakwem. Who said was that part of the conditions, sir? As agreed with the police and if the answer is no, then definitely committed an offense. Again, you will say, Obi, I have a mark. They send him the between Prunazo. Vamawo as a dependent.
Oliver Vamawo.
Aha. One of the war called to the extent so I could to police for key. No, because is it part of the peaceful demonstration as agreed?
Not just say. I mentioned much I say. Now, one more the car are blocking streets, no. And na police car na a tow car no. Kaoba before mo car na block a coin. And no 2 key to Johnny.
Thank you. One of the situation here worse. And they say he's already on bail for having committed or alleged to have been charged with a different offense. Okay, yeah.
Treasonable offense, yes.
Yes. He's on bail. And the law is, when you're on bail and you commit another offense, you are not entitled to bail anymore. It's already here. He's in a big trouble. Because no judge can even give him bail. The law is absolutely clear. Say, so who will bail? You're charged with any offense. Now who will bail her? That's all committing another offense. You are not entitled to any bail. So over marketing in Abenya bail, mark there. no court can give him bail again. Because that is the law. What is the mechanism?
Bachai.
Aha. It's my sister, my focus. Where am misdemeanor offense? Adam judges no.
Enti ano na me pese me bi say so when the pastor ayetene de wo quarter entansa ben anade na wo de bonipa no.
He has been charged with stealing. Mark Crowder, he's been charged with stealing. Mama, stealing is not a misdemeanor. It's a second-degree felony. You can go to prison for up to 25 years. So, this is misdemeanor. You see, it's not true. When you have been charged with a stealing offense, and misdemeanor, and a very serious offense, I went back to prison for 25 years. And the Mark in the end, Mark Assembly, one day he's finished case. No court, even when the judges want to grant him bail, no court is entitled to give him bail. He said, it will be the mark of his everything as maybe. It will not some crowd because the brother say you charge with any offense. Near my bail. Now, while you are on bail, you go and commit another offense and you are arrested. You are no longer entitled to bail. It is a judge, be a judge of a Mark or whatever, Oliver. Baila, the judge himself has committed an error of law. Now that's what the mechanism.
Metiasie.
If you Oliver no dey, no understand there, he's gone.
Enti enkrofo sa no se echi omo no ye de omo court a. Court no process ben no faso because they be say 2 risk remand high-handedness as a judge and more than no dey.
Ah. And I me cheat me. Now, you watch Nipa 48 with various offenses, and you need to write their statements, and you have to bring them before the court within 48 hours, 2 days. It's very likely that within 2 days, you can all your investigation over 40 people. Now, so you go to court and say, "My lord, we haven't finished with our investigation. Please, we need some more time." The court invariably will grant it, unless you can show special circumstances why your client should be given bail. And I say, so if I was representing or any of them, I'll have to make an application for bail. An application for bail. The special circumstances in your client's case. But it is also a baby name.
Now,
thank you. I was saying, that's what baby name. The first thing they say, it should be in the police statement. Say, Wanyam. Say, Onua, Kaswanyama, Okokota. The lawyer must put forward a submission. Say, my client is pregnant. So, then the court will be aware of this and take that into consideration. Say, because of the special circumstances of banning immunity. Yeah, money bill. So, I can wait now. You see, they create phantom imaginary people. Then they say, why is it? So, one, the bail condition, you don't get it as of right. Say, yes, misdemeanor, wholesale bill, and you're not correct. Misdemeanor, no correct. You can still go to prison for up to 3 years.
Sir?
Nana? Yes. And you're that simple, say, misdemeanor, wholesale bill. And you're not correct. The correct woman make a choice. Say, one, every case has to be handled on a case-by-case basis. And I'm going to say, in the case of Oliver, nobody can even give him bail anyway. Judge he's not allowed to give him bail. Then you look at the other. Sorry? Then you look at the other. On case-by-case basis, history. He's already a flight risk. It just all his case. He's known to the police. That's the baby, sir. Do you know this person? You can't say, do you know this person? Meaning, say, they want to make sure, say, on committing similar offense, that we're going to pay. So, what does it? If the court is satisfied, say, answer or consider bail. It's all these noise people are making, especially when they are lawyers. It's very sad.
Now,
because the law.
Your friend says, say, court a year, court what? Can a court remand no ebi wo ho less than 2 weeks ana.
No. Normally it's 2 weeks or even more.
Hey.
You
to be remanded normally, 3 days. 3 days.
No, because you see, when you look at 48 people, the investigator comes and the prosecutor says, "My lord, we are still investigating. We haven't done that. We haven't completed. We need 2 weeks." The court invariably grants the 2 weeks. Now, if you are
maybe police need to me ashada kwa say invest because ade a watching ye nyina ye hu. Wahye nkrofo party niema. Wakwa tete obi party banner. Wakwa afabo e de ablock kwan de dua e de mpa to kwan mu. Wakwa fa car de ablock kwan. Wakwa wia police for car key. Ni nyina no o hwe dem bi. Okodi na wotwi bi.
But normally no. Once you go to court, even Shadio, the police can even grant you bail. But to do court to be remanded. The moment you are in court, the police has no more power. It's up to the court whether the court will be satisfied. So, your bail will be defended. Charge, you know. In court, it's no longer up to the police.
But police is supposed to be a bail before Beko court.
Correct.
In cases like this.
Correct. Up to be more bail before Beko court. But the court to me remanded.
To me reverse bail na police amount.
Thank you. It's me remanded. If the court is not satisfied, they will be defend the case. You know, who a flight risk, who a history. What you may be paying, what you are paying. Court to me reverse it because once you are in court, you know, the police has no powers. It's the judge that is in charge. Then that's what I say.
Matthias here. After 2 weeks, no more ban na sem no more be there mu baby asem na.
Omoba, that's the police are ready. They will start calling their witnesses, but it's more likely they will apply for another bail. And they to be looked at on a case by case basis. And is there sorry, and the crest or baby Nima, which we know is not true anyway. Now about for demonstration with we know but even if it's true, they can even now that they are in remanded no. Make urgent application to the High Court for bail, even within the 2 weeks.
My main another case where they tell OSP say he's now investigating this Galamsey issue at the moment. I want to find out your view about that.
Many about OSP wouldn't know. Hey. Galamsey is usually corruption. And are corruption related. OSP would name the Jumu, but Ghana now they resigning. They say resigning. Ghana says so ever corruption home and corruption. I'm sort of social media who be no Dimrika. About 3 years me. After 2021 will buy me.
Now, Kwame Obi a license here. Any Kwame and I said Nipano no any corruption.
Look.
Tebia or more minerals commission or moody this kind of
no need your way. Because I don't know one end that now via Galamsey demonstration, all of a sudden I'm going to investigate Galamsey issues.
But he can investigate
who have you busy?
Yeah.
Who have you busy? Onua and not a lawyer. But he was a man's lawyer. I'm going investigation about Charles Busy in him and okay. I will tell home by all investigation about that case. And the court I shit is to throw. What he wants them you? You see, no, we shouldn't waste our time.
Are you saying OSP doesn't have any jurisdiction? No,
he doesn't have any jurisdiction about Galamsey. It's got nothing to do with corruption and corruption-related matters. There's no jurisdiction in that area. And then you need a strict, was it corruption and corruption-related? So you have to identify how his jurisdiction include Galamsey.
But there might be corruption going on at the Minerals Commission or even the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources.
Also say we are getting into the realm of guessing. There might be. No, they reckon. There might be. This is what we call fishing expeditions. You don't do fishing expedition in law. It has to be absolutely clear that there is corruption. Then you investigate. Obi to Galamsey, Obi to Wasak, Port to Galamsey, Obi to Masun Quartet to Galamsey, Obi to Mikum Konongo, A to Galamsey. How is that related to corruption? On the dying crowd who has a two or commit criminal offense. So the police gets in and arrest the person. Who was we about home?
Lawyer Kwame Adofo and a payment now as a brand new dinko.
Yamin count.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah,